Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Linda with LGQUEEN Home Decor. This is the smallest bedroom in my home. I've featured this room before a long time ago, and today I'll be giving this space a complete makeover. We first started off by getting some supplies at our local hardware store. I'm also picking out a new rug that will combine well with the color scheme I'll be implementing. In today's video, you will see how to DIY an accent wall and how we transformed our smallest room. No matter how big or small of a bedroom you may have, today I'll show you all how I pulled everything together in efforts to give you ideas and motivation for your unique space. And as part of tuning in today, I'll be giving away $100 to one winner to help you get started on your very next project. To enter, make sure to be subscribed, like this video, comment below, and share this video with someone who you think would enjoy. Now let's get started. The nightstands began to show some wear and scratches, so we ended up taping all the mirrors and painted the edges and trim to a brass gold finish. It was so satisfying to spray all of them, and they turned out perfect. With these, I can always go back to silver or even paint them white. For the accent wall, my husband measured and cut the slat panels in height from the baseboard to the ceiling. This section of the wall took around 40 panels. We will be placing a queen bed frame here. Once all of the panels were cut to size, he then mounted them to the wall with a nail gun. In between each panel, the spacing is about a ½ inch space. The nice thing about this accent wall is that you can paint it any color you want. You can stain the wood with wood stain or go with a paint color that matches your theme. We chose to go with a darker gray. As we move throughout the video and by giving this space a makeover, things are going to get messy and will need deep cleaning. With everyday use in my home, I'm all about using tools that help me to achieve cleaning in the most efficient and easiest way. I've got something truly amazing to share with you all that has helped me clean my home, and I know it can be a great help to you in your home as well. Today's video is sponsored by Shark, and if you didn't know, they're the ultimate global cleaning appliance brand out there. I've been using their latest cordless vacuum, which is the Shark Power Detect Clean and Empty system. Let me tell you all, it's a complete game changer. What I really enjoy about this handheld is that it's super versatile. You can connect the handle straight to the brush nozzle to clean stairs or any other hard to reach spot. If you want to clean blinds or fans, you can use this attachment like this. Or if you need to reach something that is further away, you can use the wand and connect an attachment. If you're ready to vacuum, you just pop it on the brush roller like this and it's ready to go. Now let me show you what this can do. As you can see here, I've got a huge mess. When I mentioned this is the best at picking up debris, you can see with just one pass it collects all the debris up. Whenever I would use my Dyson to try and vacuum backwards, it couldn't pick up debris and would scatter it to other areas. With Direction Detect, I can use my Shark Power Detect to pick up debris on a backward stroke that helps me to clean faster and more efficient. By using an articulating rear squeegee in the nozzle, it's able to maintain a seal to the floor while allowing debris to pass into the nozzle. This allows you to vacuum both forward and reverse directions, unlike other vacuums. I've been able to vacuum my entire house with this on a single charge, as the battery lasts up to 70 minutes. After vacuuming an entire home, you can imagine how much dirt, debris, and dust would be filled in the container. After cleaning, I can just use the auto empty dock feature by placing it here. I don't have to remove the container myself and grab dirt inside. I no longer have to risk all of that dust and debris getting into the air, risk breathing it, or having to clean it again after it fell back on the floor. The auto empty system empties a hand vac dust cup inside and charges the vacuum after every clean. The base holds up to 45 days worth of debris. Whenever I'm ready to empty the base, the suction has already compacted the debris inside over time, so this reduces me being exposed to the dust and dirt even when emptying. It doesn't matter what type of floor you have, you don't have to worry about changing to different nozzles or adjusting levels. The Duo Clean Detect nozzle features a 2-brush roll system that provides a soft roller for stuck-on dust and polishing, and ability to pick up large debris without losing sealing. The rear brush roll has firm bristles that lift deep embedded debris and removes pet hair and prevents hair wrapping inside. You can have the biggest of piles and tons of hair, and I'm telling you, all this vacuum will take care of it for you with ease. As you even go over different types of surfaces surfaces, you can hear the power adjust depending on what type of floor you're on. As I go over the tile, you can hear the adjustment lower automatically so it's not spraying debris all over, and then when I go over to the carpet, it gets stronger to pull in the mess. It really does such a good job no matter what surface I'm on. What's also unique about the wand is that it bends like this, so in very hard places to reach, it's flexible. I can adjust the wand by pressing here and then vacuum away. This can help you clean areas that would otherwise require moving furniture or not even being able to access. The nozzle also moves left to right very easily, so this makes everything just a breeze and so convenient. I'm very selective with any tool or item I share and feature with you all here and personally use them myself. If I think they could possibly help and benefit you in our everyday lives, it's something I look forward to sharing. If you would like to learn more about the Shark Power Detect and its amazing capabilities for yourself or for someone else, I'll leave a direct link for easy access in my description box. Thank you to Shark for providing such an innovative appliance for everyone. Now let's get back to this makeover. I want to thank everyone who joined me today on this bedroom transformation. With just a few updates, you can drastically change the appearance of a space. Make sure to leave me a comment below on what you enjoyed most today. To take advantage of the shark power detect I featured today, don't forget to visit the link in my description box. Thank you all for being a part of this journey, and until my next video, I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.